St. Martinville's mayor is being ordered to stay away from 5 city employees and the city barn, and the mayor is standing by her husband. And as Chris Welty explains, the judge listened very closely to what the mayor had to say while she was on the stand. Chris.
Judge Lewis Pittman says he relied heavily on Mayor Melinda Mitchell's testimony to make his decision in court. The mayor saying her husband's bark is bigger than his bite.
He means no harm, and if he is not right, I will be the first one to say that he's not right, and I will stand behind him, because when he is right, I will definitely stand behind him.
Under oath, Mayor Melinda Mitchell says none of the 5 city employees who gave sworn affidavits talked with her about her husband, except maintenance supervisor Brian Touchette. Touchette making the mayor aware of issues with her husband his first month on the job. During cross-examination, the mayor admitting to the city attorney other employees have talked with her about her husband, one even quitting after Lawrence Mitchell cursed her out. The defense not focusing on the allegations of harassment, stalking, and disruption of city work. Instead, attorney John Milton says Lawrence Mitchell is a concerned resident wanting to report violations of the law.
And he doesn't mind protecting his community. He doesn't mind doing what's right for the citizens of this city. Right. And he has a right as a citizen. He's not the mayor, she's the mayor.
Milton says Mitchell took photos and videos of city employees who allegedly cut a tree on private property while on the clock and using city equipment.
It's obvious what's happening in this city. And I guarantee you, before it's all over with, the whole truth's going to come out.
I just want the city to run and grow. Let it grow. Come on. All this stuff going against me is bogus.
City Attorney Alan Duran says the allegations in the affidavits were not rebutted, and there's a systematic disruption of city work because of the mayor's husband.
Well, the judge is right, and we appreciate him backing up the city and restraining him from going to the city barn or having any contact with the city employees that have had trouble with him before.
Mitchell's attorney says this case is about race and trying to take the mayor's husband out to derail her work.
I will stand up for righteousness, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving. I'm not quitting. I was elected, and I will continue to move forward.
The temporary restraining order is good for 10 days. The judge can automatically reinstate it without another hearing unless new evidence is presented saying it's no longer needed. The judge also speaking directly to Lawrence Mitchell in the courtroom, saying if he's caught violating any terms of his restraining order, it is punishable by contempt of court. In St. Martinville, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.
Cases of hepatitis A continue to increase.